This question is simply saying if you know the definitions of the various types of risk attitudes that an investor could have. So if we look at the first one, investor A chooses the project with the highest possible outcome regardless of the probabilities. Now this is simply the max approach, where you consider the best outcome from all of your possible choices and you pick the choice that has the best overall outcome. If we then consider investor B chooses the project with the highest expected value. Now, if you're looking at expected values, what you're basically saying is you're not bothered how risky something is, as long as you are compensated by the fact that the outcome can be particularly large. And as a result of that, you are considered to be risk neutral. If we then look at investor C chooses the project with the highest outcome when the market growth is least favourable. Now this is essentially saying that given the worst possible thing that could happen under each option that you chose, which one would give you the best outcome out of those worst possible conditions? As such, that definition is for maxi-min. And then finally, if we consider investor D, it says investor D chooses the project with the minimum difference between its outcomes and the optimal outcome in the situation where it does not perform better than the other projects. That's a fairly long-winded way of explaining it, but this concept here, the minimum difference between the outcomes, is looking at the regret. The difference between what you get compared to what you could have got if you'd made a different decision, and as such, this is the minimax regret approach.